So I'm Paul Pelosi. I'm the Vice President of Product Development, and I work for a company called Whiteboard Product Solutions, and we're in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. I've worked with QC Group I've worked with them personally 10 to 15 years. QC Group has scanned things such as child gates for us, where we didn't have a CAD database, and we need to retool the product. We worked on a trike or motorcycle. They actually scanned a complete motorcycle for us, so we can design the suspension and all the housings that go around it. Weird projects, like sometimes people come to us with very organic figurines. We're a design firm, and it's not a really good fit for us, so I'll have you actually scan it and create a database. And for us, it's just, you're a great partner. Locally, you're close to us. You provide something that we don't offer in-house. We take your files in and use this as our basis. So a lot of times we're doing more of the reverse engineering, trying to capture that geometry. But we just can't do it, and I can't measure it with calipers. So to have that technology to create something that's really complicated like a motorcycle, I need that basis to do the rest of the design. So it's been a good relationship for us. It's been a really good long partnership.
My name is Daniel Shertok. I am the quality manager at Osprey Medical over in Minnetonka. As part of our work, we have both routine in-process measurements done by QC Group, as well as various R&D projects. We need very precise measurements done. I would say overall, in the 2 years I've worked with QC Group, I'm very impressed with their level of service. I always find it amusing when I can put my request for quote online, and literally within 15 seconds I'll get a phone call from someone from the group reviewing the request for the quote, making sure what I asked was accurate and they understood what I was looking for. I usually get followed up between 4 and 8 hours later with the price, the quote, and the turnaround time for service. And whenever we ship parts out to QC Group, we always get a response in a very good amount of time, very professional reports and certificates mailed to us. So overall, I'd say we're very, very impressed with the level of service and expertise that QC Group has offered us over the last few years.
Hi, I'm Lee Kulo with Zeiss Industrial Metrology. I've partnered with QC Group before for their reverse engineering services. Really like working with them. The quotes come out extremely quick, usually under 1 hour. I worked with Julie Johnson before, and she's always very attentive, always gets back to me very quickly, and then the job's always done correctly. And if they need to revise anything, they've done it, no questions asked. It's been a great experience working with them.
Well, my name's Giles Gaskell. I'm from Wenzel, America, and we've dealt with the QC Group for 5 years maybe, and in that time we've done hundreds of projects. I found them to be the most honest, straightforward, transparent, and easy to deal with company that we deal with. And certainly if anybody was interested in putting, or needs to put their trust in a supplier of inspection, approval, PPAP services, then I couldn't think of anybody better to recommend.